Hello, how are you today? I'm introduced myself. My name is Yayang Safitri, NPM 221302289. And in this video, I will discuss about one part of the solar system, namely a comet. There are many planetary systems like ours in the universe with planet orbiting a host star. Our planetary system is called the solar system because we use the word solar to describe things related to our star. After the Latin word of sun is solis. Our planetary system is located in a outer stellar arm of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system consists of our star, the suns, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planet Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and million of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. There are so many objects in the solar system, but for today we will talk about comet. What is a comet? The word comet derives from the Old English cometa for the Latin cometa or cometes. That in Iran is a romanization of the Greek wearing long hair. And then a comet is an ice, small solar system body that when passing close to the suns from runs and begins to release gases on process that is called oxidation. This produces a visible atmosphere or coma and sometimes also a tile. This, these phenomena are due to the effect of solar radiation and the solar wind action upon the nucleus of the comet. Comet nursery range from a few hundred meters to tens of kilometers across and are composed of loose collection of ice, dust, and small rocky protections. The coma might up to be the coma might be to up to 15 times Earth's diameter, while the tile might stretch beyond one astronomical unit. If a sufficiently bright, a comet might be seen from Earth without the aid of a telescope and might sustain an arc of 30, 30 trajects, thir- 30, 30 trajects or 6 months across the sky. Uh, Comets have been observed and recorded science time by nomenclature and religions. Next, um, what the difference between a comet and asteroid? Uh, Comets are distinguished from asteroids by the presence of an extensive gravitationally unbound atmosphere surrounding their central nucleus. Okay, this is atmosphere. atmosphere, her part termit the coma, and then or the centrally part immediately surrounding the nucleus, and the tail are typically a linear selection consisting of dust or gas blown out from the coma by the sun's light pressure or outstreaming solar wind plasma. And what is the shapes of the comet? Diagram showing a Pascal characteristic of a comet: A nucleus, a B, comma, C hydrogen, and D tail. One, this is core or nucleus. The con's nucleus is often called the nucleus. This core is the most dense part. The diameter of this core kilometer, sulfur kilometer, varying from one come to another. The comet core is formed from the evaporation of highly volatile icy material into gases that look in kerosene. And number two is coma. A coma is an area full of fog or an area similar to a valley that surround the comet's core. This area is Ter's area because it exposed to steam from the comet's core, which is incredibly streaming when it is close to the sun. And number three is hydrogen. There is a layer of hydrogen on the comet. It is this layer of hydrogen that surrounds the coma. So this layer is invisible to the human eye. They call it is this layer a very thick 20 million kilometer in diameter. Uh, 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 and then number four, this is a tile. A tile. Comet tile is two part, and then one comet tile are long. Comets are long. A comet tail is made of glowing gas that appears when a comet approaches the sun, and then this style is permitted when it burns in the sun's comet tail size can reach 10 kilometers. So, type of comet one, a long-tailed comet. The first type of comet is a long-tailed comet. Um, uh, this is a long-tailed comet. It's a comet that has a very long trajectory through the a very cold region of outer space by passing through a lot of cold areas. This comet has many opportunity to observe the gases that are around it. When approaching the sun, this type of comet will tend to release gas so that it will form a coma and a very long time. Part two in silent comet. This is short-tailed comet. The second type of comet, yes, is a short-tailed comet. This is comet has a very short path of passage. Also, there is a little chance of observing the gas around it. Thus, the tail that is formed on the comet is not too long. A comet tail are formed by dust, and a frozen gas that evaporates the sun. The direction of the comet's tail is always from the sun because the solar wind makes the material that makes up the comet evaporate and carry it outwards. Comets are often called tail stars, even though comets are not actually stars. Comet are called tail star because they have parts that resemble stars. And then next, I I talk about you. I'll talk about some of the comets that have been seen include number one, Halley's Comet. This is a most famous comet. This is a comet passes close to Earth periodically, which is seen once uh, every 17.5 or 76 years. One of them was seen in 1986 to comet the Copernicus see in 1941, and then number three, Bob, Bob's comet see in 1997, comet Ikiyaseki see in 1965, and then five, comet was in 19 and 1976, and then order so many comet in solar system. This is material, and I say, okay, thank you for choose of you of you who watched this video. I hope it can be useful and useful for you, and then I in it up, and I say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.